now especially is everything's grown to order. We don't carry inventory. We don't have excess. Every single crop at our farm is pre-sold, relatively speaking. So we have very little excess, but that starts with grow one tray of each, know your volume, know your yield off it, know how many, let's say you can get 5 units of peas off of that. Don't oversell 5 units. But if you sell out of those 5 units, great. Next round, another tray of peas. Then you can order from a chef for a pound of peas. Great. Now add another tray in. So we just kept adding trays in as we grew. And this is where I think for me, it's not a bad thing to sell out. It tells them, hey, we sold out this week. We'll get you in the next round. But this goes back to our original method of 10-day cycles. If I sell out, I'll have it ready in a week and a half. If I sell a basil and I don't have any more going, it might be 2 weeks, might be 3 weeks, right? So this is why we focus on short-term crops. We can get product out a lot quicker, and we can adapt and become better farmers and troubleshoot quicker, all those aspects, right? So we only grew to order, and it really allowed us to have very little waste. If we can keep our costs down, we could keep our cost to our consumer down, and that was it.